The Donald Malcolm Foundation is a charitable organisation established in memory of my grandfather, Donald Malcolm. He was pivotal in growing the Malcolm Group into one of the largest logistics, construction and maintenance companies in the UK. The foundation was created to honour his legacy and continue his commitment to supporting the communities where we work and the families who work with us. Grandpa was diagnosed with cancer on his 60th birthday and given 6 months to live. However, with his very special can-do, will-do attitude, he managed an incredible 18 years until the disease got the better of him. Due to the amazing support and care Grandpa received over these years, as well as the number of people affected by cancer to this day, the main aim of the foundation is to support cancer charities and hospices local to our sites across the UK, because we want to support as many of our colleagues and their families as we can. Along with raising crucial funds for worthwhile charities, we hope the foundation will bring together colleagues, encourage teamwork, establish relationships and create excitement by supporting the community local to them. With over 100 years in business, the Malcolm Group have always taken pride in supporting their local community. This dates back to when the company began with Walter Hattrick Malcolm, my great-grandfather, serving the community with his horse and cart, delivering coal to the surrounding houses. Over the years, we've continued to support the communities around us through donations, sponsorships, employment and much more. The Donald Malcolm Memorial Ball was the first step in creating an event to celebrate Grandpa's legacy. So far, 5 of these events have taken place, raising over $750,000 for local cancer charities and hospices. The event has grown in numbers over the years, with the last one bringing together 740 guests, including employees, customers, suppliers, friends and family, many of whom have had some sort of connection with Grandpa throughout the years. It is a very special event where many memories are shared, allowing his legacy to be celebrated. We always do our best to support local charities where we can, even if they're not cancer or hospice related. We support our colleagues' personal fundraisers like marathons and other challenges, as well as support local mental health charities. We're also very passionate about looking after our young people, so sponsoring youth teams and engaging with local schools is also important to us. Supporting the communities we work in will always be a priority. That will never change. The Donald Malcolm Foundation allows us to more effectively support the people around us, and we will continue to do so to celebrate the legacy of my grandfather, Donald Malcolm. Our people have nominated charities and hospices local to them, and each depot has been allocated their chosen charity. We want to provide support right away, so we've donated £7,500 to each of the chosen charities. This means over £100,000 has been given to support charities that matter to our people and their families. We are encouraging our people to fundraise locally for their nominated charity and will aim to match any amounts raised through the Donald Malcolm Foundation. There will also be opportunities to apply for matched funding for fundraising events for other charities too. This is additional to our long-standing commitment to the Beatson Cancer Charity, Accord Hospice, St Vincent's Hospice, Maggie's and the Glasgow Children's Hospital Charity, who we continue to support in various ways through the Malcolm Group. With the support of our amazing people at the Malcolm Group, the Donald Malcolm Foundation will make a positive difference to the communities where we work and allow us to celebrate and continue the legacy of my grandfather, Donald Malcolm.